Hey guys and gals, welcome back to the channel where today we're going to be talking about how to get the best deal on shipping when it comes to ordering items from Rockauto. So I am not currently sponsored by Rockauto, but I do love their supply of parts and I do not like to pay any more than I have to on shipping. So when I am in the US, the shipping costs are usually not too bad. However, I do order parts all the way across the world and then shipping can certainly add up very quickly. So to try to make sure that I wasn't overpaying for shipping, I did contact Rockauto directly to see if they could work out a better shipping deal. They did recommend clicking on items that have the little truck. So once you've added an item to your cart, what they said is basically when you go through to add additional items and you pick the items with the truck icon by them, that means that they are coming from the same location and therefore the shipping costs should be lower. So I went ahead and went online, tried it out, and you can kind of pick and choose, and it does take a little while, but you can get your shipping down significantly lower, especially if you are shipping internationally. I do recommend next time you are on Rockauto, if you see the shipping costs are a little bit high, have a look through your cart, see if your items are coming from the same location, or perhaps have another search through and try to add items that will be coming from the same location that are of the same or better quality of whatever it was you were going to pick, and you might find yourself saving some money as well. Alright guys and gals, let us know in the comments below if you have tried this Rockauto shipping hack, or if you know of a even better auto parts supplier, please feel free to list their details below so we can all check them out. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please do hit like and subscribe. It is a free way to support the channel and we really do appreciate it. Feel free to share this video and comment below and let us know what you think.